This is Jen, Open Studio alumni. Say hi, Jen.
Hi, Jen.
Hi. We're not showing me because I'm right after yoga, but this is Abigail, and this is our paint pouring reveal. Jen is visiting from Bloomington, Indiana. Whoa, look at
That's
this.
cool.
How cool is that? Oh, you got some good cells in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, time to swirl it.
So now we get to...
Oh, this is fun.
Right?
Like, and you can't really screw it up.
Nope.
Which, you know, Lord knows I would.
All right, see you later. Bye.
I think I'm over
I'm
this.
out of here. Whoa, I love those colors.
Oh my God. It's...
You know what we could do? You know, like I was thinking, it makes me think of like Arizona. You know, the
Yeah.
rocks, or Colorado. Like I could do like the colors of the of like sunset, like oranges and reds and browns.
Yep.
And it would look like the layers of rocks. Like you go to like Bryce Canyon.
Yep.
Or, that would be
You know
cool.
the stone, it's called agate?
Yes.
It reminds me of that.
By the way, everybody listening, if anybody knows anybody at the Park Authority, at Bryce Canyon, or any of these really cool national parks, you can bring me to do an art workshop. That's a good idea. Oh my gosh, Jen, it looks so cool.
That's awesome.
And you see, there's a lot of pink, but if you turn it upside down, all of a sudden there's going to be a lot more blue. And you can stop anytime. You
Right,
can add
if you
more.
like it the way it is, you can stop
Right.
turning it around.
And it is going to darken up a little because the glue that is white is going to dry clear. But you did add white paint, so it should be okay.
I did.
Oh, wow, I like this. It's like a galaxy kind of thing. Okay. Wait, lay it so I can see it in the light. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so keep going. Maybe you want to add some more, pour some more
Yeah,
colors
I
on
need to
it.
cover
I think
it.
you need a bit more color.
Do you
And
think
this
I
is the
need
one I
some-
did a bit ago that's been sort of settling. I'm trying to figure out what else to do with it.
Did you do more white, maybe?
Yeah. Okay, we'll come back in a little bit. Bye. Oh, wait, no, we're not going to go away. We're going to watch you.
Because this is interesting.
What's going to happen? You can also stir it with the Shipood. Look, it matches your shirt. You did your shirt's colors.
It's true. I guess I know what I like.
We'll put this on Facebook, and then Judah can show it to Maya.
Wow.
Wow.
It's like a little black in there.
I
Maybe
think
from
it's the oil paint, yeah. Now, if you turn it this way, whatever color that oil, it's very concentrated, it'll spread, and it won't
So
be
if
black.
I turn it...
I would turn it on an angle so that this is facing down. Opposite, yeah. Try it, but watch it doesn't drip on your shirt.
Thank you. Oh, I see.
Is it working?
Well, the angle...
And you could also tap it a bit. You could,
Okay.
like, give it a tap on the table. No, on the, yeah. And
Yeah.
that'll make it run a little faster.
Cool. Not a fan of the white, but...
So to cover it, do another color on top.
Okay.
Or right in the middle.
Yeah.
You want to experiment? We can play with alcohol. Put a drop
Sure.
of alcohol. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, we're on unpause. This is Jen again. Say hi, Jen again.
Hi, Jen again.
Okay, and
Came out pretty well.
we're pretty much done almost. I think you might, if you
do
want to,
my
you have a
edges.
couple little dots here. You may want to take a,
Shipood?
not a Shipood, a eyedropper, and you could suck up some of the paint
I was
and
wondering about that.
and drop it right in those spots.
Ooh, this still has alcohol in it.
Yes, it still has alcohol. Be careful, because then you will end up just erasing what you did. But that's also cool. Alcohol makes like a round. Here, suck it up from here.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
See, you can suck up from here. There's purple. I mean, there's turquoise, right?
Yeah.
And now let's see what happens. You can also drop it randomly anywhere. Here, let's tip your tray. So this is paint pouring. Very exciting. My latest Open Studio adventure. Oh, this is cool. Even just these, what you could do is you could take a piece of paper, put it upside
Yeah.
down on this, lift it up, and you have this beautiful piece of marbled stationery.
That's a good idea. You're full of good ideas.
See that?
Stick with Abigail. She'll hook you up.
Jen's here visiting. She used to come to my adult Open Studio, and now
Couldn't stay away.
now she's back. Yay! Oh, do you want some gold? You didn't use any gold. I have
Good
tons.
point.
Do you want any? I have a
Sure.
lot on this tray.
Okay.
I could pour it, or you could pour it, or you could use the eyedropper.
You want to just pour it into my tray or something?
Sure. Ooh. See, there's that like.
This
That-
eyedropper is a little stuck. There we go.
Oh, do you want a new one? They're very cheap, so they tend to get about 3 uses each, and then that's it. That's what happens when you buy 1,000 at a time from China. What'd you get?
I got a little gold.
Oh, what's happening here?
I don't know. I
Where'd
don't
that
even know
come
where
from?
that came from.
That must be on the
Oil?
bottom. That's probably the oil paint. And what's down here? Like, I wonder if you hold it like this, it looks like a river.
Yeah.
You know, like if you're in an airplane and you're
Yes.
looking down
Yeah, like satellite view.
at the Grand Canyon. That's the best. Flying over the Grand Canyon.
This is cool.
What about this turquoise? Do you want that?
I don't know. Kind of just open to anything here. That's pretty cool.
You're holding the shirt out here. Okay, I'm turning off the video. You want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Thanks for being my model.